wingspan of about 3.3 feet, 1 meter, and a speed that can exceed 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour during its breathtaking hunting stoops. It's one of the fastest animals on Earth. With talons like daggers and a few curved with precision, peregrine falcons are true masters of mid-air strikes. From city heights to rocky retreats, these adaptable predators conquer diverse domains. Imagine seeing 8 times more clearly than humans. These raptors possess a visual prowess that's almost superhuman. Their eyes are equipped with a high density of photosynthesis, enabling them to perceive an incredibly wide spectrum of colors and detect